Oh my gosh. Guys, I can't even believe somehow, the Minecraft oops, like us, Roblox oops, helped get our universe back. It's still a little glitchy. Dang it. It was pretty kind of them to do that. Yes, it was very kind of them to do that for us. Very much was. Very kind. Man, I hate how it switched back and forth sometimes because it's a little glitchy. But the Minecrafters, they have a lot of hackers, unlike me. I'm a really good hacker, but changing a universe is not something I can do on a regular war basis. You know what I want to do, dude? I kind of just want to punch Slenderman in the nose. We know Slenderman's on vacation. He's out with his mummy. You know, and his mom and dad and sister. I think he has a sister, right? Well, last time we checked, Slenderman was an only child, so I don't think he has a sister. Cricket noises. Noob number 47. What are you doing? Cricket noises. Okay. Don't know what that was about. But, bye, noob number 47. So, dang it. Working out. Gotta work out. Gotta work out. Gotta work out. Hey, that's better. Well, let's go. Guys, he's here. Oh man, you are here. What are we supposed to do if you're here? I mean, guys, wait, he's here. Oh yeah, he is here. Wow. So, you guys, I am the ultimate snail king, the one that has been awaiting you. Why is my head in between your eyeballs? Don't ask questions. Okay, don't ask questions. I have been awaiting you for a very long time because once your universe has been created, there has been too many universes. So you or the Roblox universe have to merge, or one of you has to get eliminated. What? Yep, you heard it. You heard me straight. Now I will see you later. So, what should we do, guys? I mean, just kind of ran off and, didn't really know what to do. I mean, that's a good idea, Little. No? You want to merge? No, I think we fight for it. You know, I think that's what we do, because, I mean, So, yeah, let's go fight him. Little. Lidl, come out of the ground. I'll go get Buff, Roblox character. Be right back, guys. Okay, I'm here. Okay, I got him. Little. You're welcome, Lidl. Man, I love your name and how you talk. It's so unique. Lidl. So, I'm just gonna go back to my universe now. Also, Buff Roblox character, we're gonna have to have a battle. Giant slimy snail person said so. Yeah, so, yeah. So, you have 10 seconds to prepare. Oh, wait, what? Okay, guys, let's go prepare. Guys. This. We have 10 seconds to prepare. Our time starts now. What? Prepare for what? Jam battle. If we don't merge, then we have to fight. And time is over right now. Dang it, buffers. Well, let's go to our battlefield. Gee, little. Yeah, where could they be? Slither. Okay, everybody. You're battling a scene. So, now it's time for you guys to battle. Now, battling might hurt a little bit, but it's for a good cause for the winner. So, yeah, okay, just battle. See ya. Peace. Well, you heard the other person. Little. 3, 2, 1. Little. You know what? I give up. See ya. What? Where are you going? Told you I give up. Give up, dude. I told you. Bye. Well, he left. Yeah. Oh. Dang it. What? Wait, what? I mean, little. No, little, you just said a word. He did just say a word. Bye. So, I guess this is the end of our universe. Thanks a lot, Lidl, and my other guy. Other derp. Let's see here. What should I do? Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh no. Maybe this is a good thing. I don't know. I can't tell. Oh man, this is not very good. Oh, there we go. So, stab. Oh. Stab. Just you and me, Roblox leader. and you and me. Nah, Minecraft. Their person. You're right. Ah. Ting. Wait, what? We merged. Yes, you have merged now. You are now a merged universe. Better go hear your peeps. Bye. Well, I guess we're merged. I'm gonna go get my friends. Okay, guys, we're here. So let's just get something straight when you guys come. Okay. Okay, I got him. So, what is it you had to discuss with us? Lidl can talk, guys. Watch. Lidl talk. Or Minecraft Lidl will stab you. Lidl. Okay. Yep, all this time I've been able to talk, but I haven't. If you said Lidl because I thought you guys would make fun of my voice. But it makes sense when I say Lidl, 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 Lidl. Lidl, Lidl, Lidl. So that means he won't be saying Lidl anymore, so you guys can understand him. Well, I could already understand him. Well, now we can understand him. So, that's good. It's good for all of us. What do you mean? I mean, now you can all understand me. Yeah, that's very true. Well, now that we're merged, I mean, like, we're merged. So, a merged universe. Well, let's party. Oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted for that. Oh no. I didn't say